Hello friends, good evening. Today's topic is how one business user can use multiple bank account with multiple different currencies. So here my company is based in India, so my base account is INR where I have configured this channel which is open to transact in any currency. I am not binding any currency here. Now I have created another two accounts or you can say channels like Euro and USD, and you can see specifically balance is coming in euro because I want to transact anything which is coming under euro currency only. And here for USD also I will have to make a transaction with USD currency only. And to make our uh, transactions easily, I have defined auto currency conversion with multiple currencies here. So now I will start my journey with any customer invoice which I am preparing right now, and then customer may be purchasing in USD. So I am selling him 10 units and I am exporting, so I am not filing any GST over here. So total transaction worth $1,000 only. So $1,000 means as of today it is 82,233. And now when I go to account dashboard, you can still see there is no impact. But as soon as I register payment, it will auto suggest me like $1,000 which goes to USD bank account. And I say okay, I am creating an account and impact it which is going in payment right now. And over here I will create a new transaction which is my bank reconciliation, and currency is USD only, so there is no foreign currency. And I'm just creating a 1,000 payment and reconciling this $1,000 payment. So that's it. So as soon as I go to my USD bank account, you can see $1,000 balance here, some 9,904 balance over here, and INR account also has some balance. Now let's say I am paying to a vendor. So I am paying some freight charges to my vendor, let's say in USD. Okay. Or let's say I am making in Canadian dollar. Okay, I am making my freight charges in Canadian dollar worth 100 Canadian dollars. So over here per Canadian dollar it is coming 6,204 against 100 Canadian dollar. I confirm it. Unfortunately, I don't have Canadian bank dollar account, so I can make my transaction from USD account. So that is very much possible. I register my payment, so by default it goes from my INR bank account in Canadian, but I can change. I would like to make a transaction from USD bank account, and you can automatically see 100 Canadian dollar worth 75.45 US dollar, which Odoo does automatically using currency conversion. And I can simply, let's say my bank is charging something more, so I am paying 76 USD, and then I want to post in, let's say, bank fees account. So this is the way I can create my transaction, and here we can see $100 has made a payment, and on dashboard you can see $76 is coming as an outstanding. So during my reconciliation I can simply say minus 76 and was in Canadian dollar, so you can see 100.72 comes, which I can definitely round off, or I can still create 72, but it will create a minor difference because of $100, and then payment to vendor. So when I want to reconcile this, I will select this transaction, and then 0.38 will go to currency exchange difference account. So this Odoo automatically detect this and can trace this. And even I can validate and finish my transaction. So now if I go to my dashboard, you can see $924 is my balance. And in my ledger also, we can see the USD account impact over here. I will just disable euro, and then you can see the transaction outstanding, received payment, and then USD bank account situation, which $1,000 I received, and then 76 I have made a payment to freight vendor against, for Canadian dollar. Okay, so this is how one can manage multiple bank account, multiple with multiple currency, and you can mark currency which is not your base company currency, and manage different accounts and different make a different transaction. Even if you want to transfer some account from USD to Euro, you can definitely do it using the same method. Hope this will help many accountant, many end user to clear their queries how they can handle different currency accounts within the same business where the base currency of business is different than foreign currency. Thank you.